Welcome first year students to Maynooth University. Before you take your first steps in university life, you will first need to register online. This can seem like a daunting process, but is actually quite straightforward. We'll show you how. The first thing you need to do is log in to Student Web. This can be accessed from our Maynooth University homepage. Please note our recommended browsers for best performance: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Type in the username and password which you will have received in your email. Now click Online Registration menu. You will need to agree to the university's terms and conditions before you can go further. This is the Qualification section. This is the list of courses offered to you. Pick the one you wish to do. As a first year student, you will not be able to pick which subjects yet. Hit Continue. You can review your submission selection on this screen and make sure you're happy with your choice. When you are ready, click Accept Registration. Make sure your address is up to date. You will have to fill out a short survey. This is mandatory for all students and is undertaken by the HEA. All your answers are confidential and will not affect your application. To complete this part of your registration, you must select how you would like to pay for your fees. This can be an all-in-one amount or in instalments. If you have any questions about this, you should contact Student Fees. The first part of your registration is complete. You are now on your way to becoming a fully fledged Maynooth University student.